What's up, folks? It's Drew from FastLane Emergency Vehicles, and I am here with two gorgeous F-250s. These are for South Oldham Fire Department in Kentucky. So as always, we're going to dig in, check these bad boys out. Alright, so as I mentioned before, these are two brand new Ford F-250 Super Duties in lovely vermilion red. I always like this darker red color that you can get on the Fords. So 5402 and 549, these are new command rigs for them. As always, we're going to hit them tip to butt. Here in the grill, so this is an XLT truck, not an STX, so it has the chrome grill, non-LED headlights, chrome bumper, all that good stuff. So it really pops in the sunlight, as you guys can see. So 4 forward-facing sound-off M-Powers. Worn hidden winch kit, super cool, really do like that. Then moving back, front intersection lighting, we have another 4-inch M-Power here on the front fender. All this nice printed graphics here, so the door really pops well, horizontal stripe. Sound off N-Force up top, SL running light here on the running boards. Moving back, a recap, color matched. For rear intersection lights, we have another 4-inch sound off M-Power. Up top, we have a N-Force or M-Power traffic advisor, and then 4 vertical lights in red amber next to the liftgate. Here's the cab of 5402. Up top, not a whole lot, just a singular speaker for the radio head. No overhead console in this truck. Moving down to the center console, all the stuff you know and love from FastLane. CAD design, CNC cut, powder coat aluminum faceplates, really nice dash contours, all the good trimmings of FastLane console. As always, you have a 20-position fuse block up here, houses all the fuse diamonds of the vehicle, so really easy for troubleshooting. This truck is all controlled by a standard Wayland slide switch controller. Kind of old school, very simple, but works really well for this application. So you have traffic advisor functionality built in, seat lighting functionality built in, turn your command light on, and obviously have all your tones, nice dual tone action. Going back, we have a customer supplied radio head, as well as a Gamber Johnson tablet mount, so they can put their NBT on here. With PA mic, couple blank faceplates, and then we have a dual cigarette lighter, as well as backlit, backlit cigarette lighter, and well as dual USB. Couple of cup holders, flip up armrests, revealing a big MacBook slot with these wire chases that I love. I mentioned before how much I like these things, but really good for cable management. And a nice padded armrest living right here. And then back here, hanging out the back, we have a Motorola Impress portable radio charger. All right, we are here at the rear of the truck underneath the rear hatch. On the sides, dual transverse compartments, no toolboxes in this particular cap. Here we have a rear gear storage area, tent storage module, just some open trough storage, some storage here, cubbies for a water can or fire extinguisher. Pull out this drawer, we have some adjustable Lexan dividers herein. And then we have the command drawer itself. Pull this bad boy out, integrated drawer release slide. Pull it out, adjust up, catch, there we go. We have a couple of lateral extensions on this bad boy that are printed. So you have printed command board action going on both extensions, and then you have some center writing surface, as well as an ELO touchscreen. This will tether the NBC in the center console. Big storage trough down here, dual USBs, Impress charger, Velcro, for accountability tags. You have an E5 Motorola radio head, and a couple more 12-volt power points right there. So obviously we're playing a little bit of musical trucks because we're working against the sun, but these are the rigs. So 5409, 5402, the new South Oldham command vehicles. These things are absolutely sexy. Not a good exercise of building a truck that has a lot of good features, but a really simple interface. Cabinet back's awesome. Lots of storage opportunities, and still has the pass-through touchscreen, which everyone's knowing and loving these days. These trucks are just really solid, and the color doesn't hurt either. But, without further ado, you make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more cool FastLane content. I'll see you guys next time.